Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will explore how to install the client panel and adjust the potentiometer on the Thermomix TM31. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area to avoid any complications. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the process. Once it's disconnected, turn the device upside down on a clean surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at each corner of the base. Be sure to keep track of these screws, as they will be needed for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently lift off the base plate. This allows you to access the internal components of the Thermomix. Here, you'll want to take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A soft cloth can be effective for this purpose, ensuring that the internal parts remain in excellent condition. Next, locate the client panel. This is usually found near the control interface. To remove it, you'll need to unscrew the screws holding it in place. Remember to use the correct size Phillips screwdriver to avoid stripping the screws. Once you have removed the client panel, take a close look at the potentiometer. This component is crucial for controlling the speed and temperature settings of your Thermomix. If you notice any irregularities or if the device isn't responding as it should, adjusting the potentiometer may solve the issue. To adjust it, use a flathead screwdriver to turn the potentiometer gently. A small adjustment can make a significant difference in performance. If you are unsure about handling this yourself or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in getting your Thermomix back to optimal performance. After adjusting the potentiometer, reattach the client panel by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it fits snugly, as any loose components could affect the functionality of the device. Before putting the base plate back on, it's essential to double-check that everything is in place and that no tools are left inside. Once satisfied, place the base plate back onto the Thermomix and secure it with the screws. Now, let's discuss the convenience we provide. If you're not comfortable performing this installation or adjustment on your own, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel. You can have your device serviced without leaving your house. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and power it on. Check if the client panel is functioning correctly and if the adjustments made to the potentiometer have improved the performance. If everything is working fine, congratulations! You've successfully completed the installation and adjustment. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and clarity in our services. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your enhanced Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.